I've made another junk journal, and I'd like to do a quick little flip through with this. I'm not going to talk about every single thing I did in this, but just to say that it follows a similar kind of model as my previous video. I've got some waterproof cover again, which is basically wax cloth, but I've also put a little tuck spot onto the front. And inside is an altered business card that can be used for journaling, and a little booklet and a fun chapter from a book that seemed very fitting, because this is actually a recipe book. So let's have a look. This is actually wallpaper, which has a design that is made up from lots of plates. There are some tabs, some of them at the side here, and then some are also at the top. See that there? Little envelope that also has a journaling card in it. Picture from a picture diary, dictionary. Some of these old botanical pages from a book, I have actually put some tracing paper on so that it's better for writing on. Journaling card. This is again tracing paper stitched onto a bit of card, and can't really see it now, but the little colorful picture in there actually moves around. Little notepad with some tea-stained paper. This is a reused envelope that contains a journaling card, and I think it's actually quite fun that the inside of the envelope reads Autumn Rewards. Well, that's quite fitting. This was actually a business card from a very nice shop. I've turned that into a journaling card. Bit of layering on this page with some ribbon. There's a fabric leaf there, and it's a very narrow little tag the other side of the envelope. This time I've made, well, it's almost like a booklet. These are actually ads that I've cut out of a German newspaper from 1890 and sewn onto a bit of cardboard. There's another little pad. And finally some extra journaling cards there. And that's the end of it. Thanks for watching.